It's your girl Natural Mystique here, back at it again with another one. So today's video is on this beautiful hair. Okay, let's get into this color. Yes. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this color, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. This is what the closure looks like. It's a soft Swiss lace with baby hair, 4x4, free part, whole handmade closure. So let's see if it's nice. The hair so far feels very soft. It looks like the knots have been somewhat bleached, but you still see some dark, so I'm probably going to re-bleach them. But yeah, it does feel soft, so let's see how this goes. So these next couple clips you'll be seeing is the process I use to achieve this beautiful blue hair color. So stay tuned and let me know what you think. y'all already saw how I achieved this color. So let's talk about, I guess, how the hair held up. So this is my first time working with 613 hair. So hair that was already blonde, ash blonde. I didn't have to bleach it. So I'm not sure, I guess. I'm talking from my experience. So I don't know if this is how all 613 hair is, but it didn't have as much oomph as I would like it to have. I mean, y'all see it. Y'all see it. It's still flowing, but it's just not like darker hair. When I was flat ironing my hair, the roots flat ironed much better than the ends. And I don't know if that's because it's dark. You know, I dyed that dark, so it could just be an illusion because it's black hair. But I'm loving the color, the ombre. I'll definitely be doing more watercolors. I have more 613 hair, so I'm actually going to do more colors. So let your girl know what color you would like to see next. I was thinking the pink family or the red family, but yeah. I love the closure. I think I plucked it perfectly. What you're seeing here, y'all, is I was too lazy to do the ball cap method. So you see where my wig cap starts. I probably didn't even need a wig cap with this, honestly. The lace bleached perfectly. I just like to protect my hair. So excuse that, y'all. I know that could have been a little bit more seamless, but I think for my first watercolor closure wig, I think it looks good. I'm trying to debate if I'm gonna keep this one for the week. I don't know. I'm really feeling the color. And then with the yellow, it's just giving me summer island vibes, even though we're stuck in quarantine. But you know, neither here nor there. Let me see. Any more questions about this wig? The hair, I believe, was $89. Sorry, or like $120. Somewhere around there. I'll put the correct price. I think it was $120 for 3 bundles of hair and a closure, and it was the Janet collection, I believe. You guys all got the specs on it, but definitely for beauty supply store hair, I think it's a cheap, and I think it's not a cheap, but it's a good alternative. Nobody got $200, $300 to spend on 613 hair. Because I don't know if y'all know, but the prices for 613 hair is crazy because it's already, you know, stripped. So it takes a lot of work to get that color. So they've always charged more for lighter hair. But I would definitely purchase this hair again to do something with. I'm thinking about putting some, what is it called? What do we call them? Pin curls in the front, because it does have layers, because I have different inches. But yeah. Okay, with the blue. All right, natural. I see you, boo. So let me know what you guys think of this watercolor. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for supporting. Peace.